Hi, I'm Pam Minnick with a message from Justin Insurance. The price of good horses, just like everything, keeps going up and up. Fortunately, the cost of protecting that investment has remained affordable. Justin Insurance and Great American Insurance Company are the official horse insurance company of the National Cutting Horse Association and can insure your horse just like any other valuable asset. It's easy to do and affordable. Justin Insurance has the most affordable rates, and their policy provides the broadest coverage in the industry. Each policy can be tailored to suit your individual needs, whether you have one horse or a large herd. Justin Insurance can not only insure your horses, they can also insure the improvements on your farm or ranch and provide the necessary liability coverage for breeding farms, trainers, and boarding facilities. Horse ownership creates unique risks, and it takes an insurance agency and company that knows the horse business to provide you with the coverage you need. Justin Insurance began serving the cutting industry over 15 years ago. They were the first insurance agency to focus on the cutting horse and the first to support the National Cutting Horse Association through their many sponsorship programs. To be recognized as the industry leader and NCHA partner, it requires more than just a large financial investment. It is their knowledge, commitment, and experience that has allowed Justin Insurance to insure some of the leading horses in the industry. The leading cutting horse riders and owners know the importance of insuring their investment and have selected Justin Insurance. We recently spoke to Abby Winklereed of Marvine Ranch, the owner of the NCHA Horse of the Year, Quentin Blue, and asked why she felt it was important to insure her horses.
We do have a budget, and we look at that budget carefully and all the different costs that we know, and insurance is one of them. And it's one of the most important parts of our budget, if you will, is to make sure that we do have that insurance. It limits our losses, which is very important.
I agree with Abby. The horse business can be expensive, and when you consider the rising cost of stud fees, feed, and training, you can't afford not to include the cost of insurance in your budget. It's easy to insure your horse. Simply call your Justin Insurance agent and they can explain to you how they can not only cover you if your horse were to die, but can also protect you from the rising cost of veterinary expenses. If you already have your horses insured, you may be paying too much and not getting the protection that a Great American policy can provide. Your Justin Insurance agent can not only help you with your horse's insurance, but they can provide a free risk evaluation and compare their rates on your farm and ranch policy to make sure you have the coverage you need. Just because you have insurance doesn't mean you're protected from the risks related to horse ownership. June McGee, the managing partner of Justin Insurance, and Freddie focus on insuring cutting horses. June is a non-pro that shows a daughter of Freckles Playboy that she and Freddie raised. And their daughter Maddie recently started cutting and has successfully showed her kit dual gilding, Kit's Cato. In addition to being a licensed agent specializing in cutting horses, Freddie McGee raises, trains, and shows his own horses. He is a 4A rated NCHA judge and monitor. Horse ownership creates unique risks, and it takes an insurance agency and company that knows the horse business to provide you with the coverage you need. Call Justin Insurance, 800-972-0272.